Hello friends, last time we see how we can create a database like we are created test and sample database. Today we have learned how to use that database. So for that we have to write command use test and semicolon, and then we have to select it and run it. So now you can see use test 10 row is affected, so this way we can use the database test. Here you can also see the test database is getting highlighted in the bold, and in that test database table views or what we have to do, it will be seen. Similarly way, for example, we can use another database, for example use sample, and we can select it and run it. You can see there use sample 0 is row affected. Now you can see here a sample database is getting bold, and in that sample database table views and store procedure, it can be seen. Like this way we can use the database whatever we are choosing. So this way we can create a database. Next step, we are created database. Secondly, we can use that database, and final stage is we can drop the database, whatever database we require. For that we have to use command drop database, and we have to consider name, for example sample. So this way, see, you can see now the test database is deleted. Similarly, if you can delete sample database, select and run, 0 row is affected, and you can see here the test and sample both database can be deleted. So this way you can create database, use database, and drop database. So thank you so much.